the actions of China are really illegal. They are aggressive and they are very dangerous. And we saw an escalation of these actions by China. And of course, we are worried. We are worried now. We will admit, napapahala kami. But as mentioned by the Secretary of National Defense, Secretary Gilberto Chidoro Jr., the Armed Forces of the Philippines is willing, very much willing to defend our territory. In fact, we are one of the most experienced armed forces around the world. Last year, pumunta ako sa Vietnam. Nakita ko, Vietnam ha, dati we were advanced, more advanced than Vietnam. Ngayon, sila ay gumagawa ng sarili nilang mga baril, bala, even drones. Nakita namin, pinakita sa amin yung mga drones.
And we have the expertise, we have the IT expertise for that.
Yes. And another aspect that we would like to develop for the armed forces is the cyber warfare capability. Kaya-kaya natin lumaban dyan. Ang daming matatalinong mga Pilipino when it comes to cyber. So, yun po yung mga gusto natin gawin. Since the late 1800s up to today, we have been involved in wars or conflicts. So, kaya po tayo, yung mga sundalong Pilipino, ay isa sa mga pinaka-dalubhasa na mga sundalo sa buong mundo. We are really well experienced. In fact, some of our partners and allies, the more developed armed forces, they come to us to train with us and also to listen to the experiences that we went through. So ang kulang na lang po sa akin ay yung kagamitan, modernized weapon systems, modernized platforms, and we have had already a lot of gains when it comes to modernization. We are now at the third horizon. So for the first and second horizon, although hindi ko kompleto ito, marami na tayo nakuha. For instance, may mga bagong jet fighters tayo, yung FA-50, meron tayong mga bagong helicopters, the Black Hawk helicopters, we have attack helicopters. We also have new ships. We have corvettes, we have frigates, and then we have multi-role ships. And we also have tanks, armored personnel carrier. We also have, for the Army, we have the self-propelled 155 howitzers. We also have modernized C4I Star equipment. These are the command and control computer systems that we have.